Today we will see how easily you can give a good surface finish to a 3D printed part. Now we are just printing a BMW M3. As you can see, the layers are so evident on the top faces. Our major task is to finish these top faces. Now printing is completed. Let me remove the supports completely. After removing the supports, sanding has to be done to remove any projections from the printing. By this process, you cannot remove all the irregularities on the surface. For removing the major irregularities, I will be using wood putty. So you just do some sanding wherever possible. After one level of sanding is completed, apply the paste very carefully wherever you want to have a good surface finish and allow it to dry for a couple of hours. I am just applying to top faces where major irregularities are observed. After it is completely dried, again sanding has to be done to match the surface. This process has to be repeated multiple times till you get good surface finish. Now I'm using spray paint for the base color. I'm using white uh, as the base color for the BMW M3. You can use whatever color you want. Apply multiple coats and make sure you give enough time to dry after each coat. So this is how it looks after finishing spray painting. The finish has come out well. Now we will proceed with detailing of all the features. So detailing will be done manually. I have used fabric paints for doing all the detailing. As it is completely manual, it depends on the painting skills of the individual. After completing all the detailing, you allow it to dry at least for maybe 10 hours. So after completing the detailing, so this is how it looks. So further detailing can be done if your painting skills are better. So the finish has come out well, and please subscribe for more such videos, and thank you for watching.